Good afternoon, class. LED 518. Hello to you, Dr. Wilson, as well. The part one of my final assignment was created based a social media based reflection on what impacted me for better or for worse. The topic that impacted me for better or for worse is how evaluating my own perspectives and worldviews measure and how to manage the content on the internet, producing and encouraging honesty and open dialogue with my audience. Being new to social media, it was difficult, not as far as being honest, but finding my own perspectives and learning how to engage an audience and to get honesty from them, honest feedback. Working in corporate America, we believe that feedback is a gift, and sometimes feedback can be something that is contrary to what you believe, or vice versa. The other question was, what could you have done differently to improve communication, authenticity, honesty, and openness from a Christian worldview? Not to be so impatient when no one responds or comments. Being new to social media, I'm accustomed to immediate dialogue. Social media, it can become a waiting game of some sort. Of course, the Bible states in Philippians 4, 6 and 8, the King James Version says, "Be anxious for nothing, but in everything by prayer and supplication with thanksgiving, let your requests be made known to God, and the peace of God, which surpasses all understanding, will guard your hearts and minds through Christ Jesus." I must live by that even in social media. Furthermore, Jack McKee's information on rule of thumb suggests that 90% of users are the audience or lurkers. The people tend to read, observe, but don't actively contribute. That type of communication can frustrate at times, so I had to get used to that. The other question was, how has your participation changed your understanding of subjective influence, quality, and meaning? Joyner from Relevant Magazine gave a list of 5 questions to ask myself before posting social media. One was, am I seeking approval? Am I boasting? Am I discontent? Is this a moment to protect? Is it kind? This gave me somewhat of a blueprint on how to enhance my influence and the right quality and meaningful content. The other thing I want to say before I close is social media is something that it's very powerful, and how you engage it, how you cultivate it, not only helps or becomes a detriment to yourself, but also helps or becomes a detriment to your audience. Again, Dr. Wilson, thank you so much. This is the best class I've ever had in Colorado Christian University. It challenged me, and challenge is very good, and you are an awesome professor. God bless you, and God bless our class.